Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Madgan Gangam, a student of class 10. Today on our special program, I am going to show you different parts of microscope along with its function. So, its name is compound light microscope. So, let us begin with basic information of compound light microscope. The compound light microscope is a tool which contains two lenses which magnify and a variety of knobs which is used to move and focus on the specimen. Since it uses more than one lens, so it is called compound microscope. So be ready everyone now, as I am going to show you different parts along with its functions. So let us begin with the foot of the microscope. This foot of microscope is called base, and we all know that function of base is to keep anything stable, and here the same case is here. The base of microscope keeps the microscope stable, and then you can see that this arch shape, this part is called arm, and we hold the microscope from this, like this. So now the topmost part of the microscope is eyepiece lens. Its function is very simple. The viewers looks through this, and it can be replaced with a camera. We can insert a camera here also. The next part we have is this tube-like body called body tube, and its function is very simple. It is an internal sleeve, and it keeps eyepiece and rotating nose in a place. So next, this circular part is called rotating nose piece, and it can rotate like this. We can rotate and adjust it anyway, and its function is very simple. It allows choice of objectives. So what is objective? Objectives are these two lenses. These two lenses you can see, they are of different magnification power, and these two lenses magnify the object which we want to see. Then below this we have a plain platform which is called stage, where we keep our slides, and we are provided with these two clips, and these two clips are called stage clips. Its function is to hold the slides. Then below this we have this part called condenser, and its function is to focus light on part of slide which is being studied. Then below this we have a small mirror. Its function is to redirect lights. This mirror, its function is to redirect lights to the slide. We can replace it by a source of light also. Then after that we have two adjustment knobs. First, coarse adjustment knob, and second, fine adjustment knob. So function of coarse adjustment knob is to get slide in focus when we are at lower magnification, like this. Like this we can rotate it and get slide in the focus. Then after that, when the slide in focus, we use fine adjustment knob to sharpen the focuses, especially at higher magnification. So this was all about the microscope. I hope you learned and understand a lot about microscope, and hope for a great day ahead. Thank you all.